Hi guys, it's a further update to the PC I built about 4 or 5 weeks ago now. Got a couple of videos on there already, none of when it's been built unfortunately, but as it's taken stages in development. Last month I swapped out the E6850 and put in a quad core Q6600, which is currently overclocked to 3.6 GHz. I've also added the X-Fi Extreme Gamer sound card, which is sandwiched in between there, and I've also just added another 8800 GTX, so I've got two in there with obviously the SLI bridge there. There's two in SLI. I've got a 3D Mark 06 score of about 17,000, but I do believe it's because obviously I'm running Vista 64-bit, and obviously I heard that if I was running XP I would have got a much better score, as Vista is obviously a resource hog. But as it stands so far, as I say, I've got the quad core 6600, I've got 4 gigs of PC 6400, 800 MHz RAM, which is OCZ. It's an SLI edition, but I don't use the EPP, which is the SLI enhancement. I've just literally clocked it to 1000 MHz with timings of 4, 4, 4, 12 and 2T. Got there underneath the OCC memory cooler, which it looks pretty nice in there. I still got messy wiring. I haven't really got round to sorting this out. I'm too lazy. I say there's the two 8800 GTXs, but I must say that this 3D Mark score, you can definitely tell that it's using obviously the quad core and the two 8800 GTXs. But in a lot of the games I've got, like BioShock, I've got Flight Simulator X, I've got Stalker, Company of Heroes, I've got Medal of Honor Airborne. Not all of them games are beneficial from running SLI. It might be with the way I've set it up, as obviously I've just gone SLI yesterday. So if there's anyone that can help me improve things, as I know that in the driver control panel for the graphics cards, when you get down to SLI rendering, you've got like false split rendering, then you've got split rendering 1, split rendering 2, then you've got single GPU, and mine's set to single GPU at the moment, so I'm not sure what any of them do, as there's not really an explanation. So if anyone can help me out, then I'd appreciate that. But hopefully Crisis should be available for download either tonight or early tomorrow, so I'm hoping that my PC should be able to handle it. Thanks for watching, take care.